inaantay mo yan at masayahin mo na yung sarili mo, boss! Yo, what up guys? It's me again, BL. Balita ko, hanap nyo daw yung mga shorts? Don't worry, I got you guys. Meron akong available on hand. Size from 28 up to 44. So tara, isa-isa na natin tong mga size 32 to 34 guys. Unahin natin to. Isang vintage na B28 DST or Darkstone. Size 32. Flawless. Next. Bigyan mo na yung sarili mo. Pasayahin mo na ang sarili mo. Meron tayo dito ang vintage na B25 BRN or brown. This one is a solid condition. Ganda na ito guys. Wow. Next. Ating favorite ko. Ito yung kinakompleto kong collection guys. The double knee shorts. This one is a size 32. Model na ito is B80 BRN or brown. And meron tong minor flaw, which is considering the age of these shorts, guys. Yan. Released lang tong double knee shorts for only 2 years from 1999 to 2001. Yan. Ating last natin sa size 32 na carpenter shorts, guys. This one is a vintage. Paborito ng lahat. B29 STW or stonewashed. Ano pang inaantay mo? Bigyan mo na yung sarili mo. Pasayahin mo na ang sarili mo. Next, isa-isahin naman natin yung mga size 33 natin available. Ayan. Meron tayo itong B25 CMT or cement. Ito guys, hard to find tong colorway na to. This one is in solid condition. Meron tong onting flaw, minor scratches, and next. Ayan. The solid B25 DES or desert brown hands. Another 33. This one is in mint condition. Cut tag lang to guys. Yan. Next. Ito. Wow. Let's talk. Meron pa yung sticker tag guys. This one is a P28 DST or Darkstone size 33. Aha. Wala na tayong pag-uusapan sa condition pag nakikita mo yung mga ganyang senyales. Next. Ating last nating size 33 guys, na vintage carpenter shorts. This one is a B28 DST or Darkstone. Flawless guys. Sobrang ganda. Ang kinis ng patch, walang kahit onting hairline crack yan. The next here, isa-isay natin yung mga size 44 guys. Nahin natin to. Ang paborito ng masa. Carpenter na Real 3. Yan. Model na is B191 CMO or camouflage guys. Double loop yan guys. Ito. Lagayan mo ng martilyo, dalawa. Ito. This one is still in excellent condition. Meron tong onting distress guys. Next. Vintage Flawless na B29 STW or stonewashed. Ganda na ito. Sobrang solid na ito, guys. Sunod sang dead stock. Dead stock ulit. Wow. Na B29 STW. Another stonewashed, guys. What are you waiting for? Grab it. Next. Yan, meron ditong vintage na B83 Mosky. Yan. Ito first time ko makahawak ng ganitong model. Yan, leather patch. Excellent condition. Only issue is minor fading and hairline crack sa patch. Next. Another vintage moss green. Model naman na ito is B25 Moss. Ito, this one is in mint condition. Only issue sa patch lang guys. Minor hairline crack. Yan, baka size mo to ha. Alam ko madami naghahanap ng moss green. Wow! Next. Yan. Meron tayo dito ang nag-iisang B28 DPS or Deepstone. Yan. This one is flawless guys. No issue. Next. Another B28 DST or Darkstone. Yan. Flawless condition to guys. No issue. And then last, the size 34 natin. This one is one of my collection. Hard to let go. Hirap po siya natin ito guys. Yan. Sobrang ganda itong vintage carpenter shorts. Model na ito is W1980. heat or stone washed. Issue natin is cut tag. Pero sobrang ganda na ito, guys. Ito yung mga mahirap hanapin. Yung mga vintage na telang big batch. Kahit di kasya sa akin, parang gusto ko lang siya i-keep. Ayun. So, yun na lahat yung mga size 32 to 34 nating available on hand. I do accept layaway terms, guys. Up to 30 days. I just need down payment for reservation and assurance na syempre itutuloy mo yung item. So, ayun. Baka andun na yung hinahanap mo sa mga na-flex ko kanina. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait. Char. Just take a screenshot and send me a DM, guys. Or, you can visit my pages here. This is my Facebook page and my Instagram. And lahat ng available items natin, guys, is posted sa dalawang selling platforms natin. The full details and prices is indicated. So, ano pang inaantay mo? I-send mo na sa akin yung mga inipon mong screenshots at pag-usapan natin yan. Matik yan. Once fully paid, ship na agad. Thank you, guys!